guys, welcome to my cooking channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook vegan mashed potatoes. So for that I have taken 3 medium size of potatoes which are peeled and cut into cubes and soaked in the water for now. And then we are also going to use garlic induced olive oil. So I have 6 tablespoons of garlic and 3 big cloves of crushed garlic in the olive oil. And then most importantly, for garnishing, this is my favorite, I have taken 1 tablespoon of chives, finely chopped, and then we are going to use salt and black pepper. So let's get started. So here in a pan I have taken water and added our potatoes into it, and we are also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and then give it a quick stir. You can also use the saucepan, because I don't have a saucepan, so I'm just using the normal pan here. And you have to cook until the potatoes are nice and soft, and the way you are going to check is with a fork or a knife, and we'll see, I'll show you how to check that later. So I'll see you after 5 minutes. Meanwhile, when the potatoes are cooking, we are going to prepare garlic infused olive oil. And for that, you are going to take the olive oil and put the crushed garlic into the olive oil, and you are going to heat this olive oil with garlic for almost 40 minutes and on low heat. So make sure you don't heat the olive oil, and not even a medium heat. So you are slowly going to infuse the garlic into the olive oil by cooking at longer time, like 45 minutes on low heat. So I'm going to keep this on on low heat for 40 minutes. Meanwhile the potatoes are cooking, and meanwhile we also mash the potatoes. So I will come and check on the olive oil later when the potatoes are ready. So this is almost 10 minutes, and I'm going to check on the potatoes. So I'm going to use fork to check on the potatoes, and you can see here it is I'm able to pierce through the potatoes, but I feel it is still slightly harder. So I'm going to cook this on a high heat for another 5 minutes, and then we can check back on potatoes later. So let's check the potatoes, guys. So as you can see here, it has nicely cooked, so this is perfect. And I'm going to stop the stove and transfer this into a restrainer to get rid of the water. So I have transferred the potatoes into strainer, and make sure you wait enough to get rid of all the water, because if you have any water remaining in your potato, your mashed potato will turn gluey. So make sure you wait little longer to get rid of the water. And here is our olive oil infused with garlic. So I just took it off the gas. This was almost 35 minutes, and I can really smell the flavor of garlic in the olive oil. So I think this is perfect, and we can now start mashing the potatoes. So the potatoes are now ready to mash. So I'm just going to use the masher. So here the potatoes are mashed, and I'm still going to keep stirring it, but with olive oil. So I'm also going to add more olive oil slowly and keep stirring it meanwhile. And also going to add some pepper. I'm not adding salt because I already added salt while boiling the potatoes. So you can make this potato mash more smoother when you actually mix it with olive oil. So here you can see, guys, mashed potatoes looks really good. It's very smooth, and I must say that I didn't really use all olive oil. So I think I can say that I used 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So you can always adjust the quantity of the olive oil as required. So you can see it is nicely mashed. So here, guys, this is now ready, and I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and garnish with the chives. So here, everyone, this is a vegan friendly mashed potatoes. So please try this, and it tastes really good, and I love having mashed potatoes with chives. So try these and let me know in the comment section how did you like it, and I'm pretty sure you are going to love this. So let me know in the comment section if you like it, and if you really like it, then please like and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.